Before moving on to the challenge part of this getting started section, there's one more thing I need to show you. It might seem a little bit trivial, but it can catch new students out. And that's how to go about closing a project and then creating a new one. So if you think to start a new project, you can just close the app in the top right of the screen and then reopen Android Studio, well, that would be no good, as it would bring you straight back into the project you were working on last. Pretty much the same view, the same screens as this. So I'm just going to very briefly introduce the menus at the top of the screen. And there's two ways you can make a new project, both in the File menu. So if you click the File menu, the first is you can go File, New, and then New Project. And when we do this, it takes us back into that New Project Setup Wizard where we can choose a template again. And it's fine to do it this way. Android Studio may or may not either replace the project with this new one or make a new window on top of it. And when you start dealing with multiple Android Studio instances, like multiple Android Studio windows, your machine may have a performance hit and slower machines may start to struggle with memory. So I don't recommend making a new project that way. So if you cancel out of this screen, I recommend going to the File menu and then pressing Close Project. So we are now done with this Getting Started app, so we can do this right now. And that will take you back to the Welcome to Android Studio dialog, almost the same as before. But if you look on the left, we now have an ever-growing list of recent projects. And this will get longer and longer as we get further and further into the course. So we could quickly jump back into the Getting Started app by clicking this once, or we can click Start a new Android Studio project to take us through to the same setup wizard as before. So bear this in mind, you will need to do this for the next tutorial, which is the challenge, and also for future sections where we make new projects.